All right, guys. Hope you guys are doing good. Just kind of giving you a quick recap of what's going on here. If you guys will kind of take a look right here at this, it's called. I'm trying to fix this right quick. Rewriting radical expressions with radical exponents. Okay, so basically what's happening is here is you are going to be taking the index here and then your radicand. You basically just make everything a fraction. Now, if you kind of look right here, you'll take this index right here and just make it a fraction. And then basically whatever your radicand's exponent is. So for example, right now the A is 1. So that's where they're getting the numerator right here. So it's kind of a simple process. And again, you can show right here if it's a different one, it turns into the new numerator. And again, the index still stays as n right here. Okay, so not too crazy, but just real kind of simple. So right here, first off the bat, it says what is the index? You kind of need to know what the index is first before you can do these type of problems. So again, it's right here, and if it's not shown, just remember the index is going to be 2. So basically, what this means is now is the numerator or your top number will always be 2 here. All right, so or check that. Sorry, your index or your bottom number, your denominator is always going to be 2 in this case, and then your top number will be based off what these already have. So, for example, right here, if I look at this one, since the 5 does not have a number as the basically is your exponent, you know that's going to be a 1. So I'll just make this a 5 to the 1/2. Okay. Same thing with the j. The j doesn't have a number, so it'll be j to the 1/2. And then this k right here, since it has a 3 now, it's going to be k to the 3/2. Okay. All right. So why this is useful? Basically, this is useful kind of, for example, like on B here, and you'll kind of see what's happening. Again, the index is right here. It's that 5. Okay. All right. So again, that is going to be our denominator, our bottom number. So again, the m doesn't have a number as a exponent, so we will go ahead and say that's 1. So it'd be 1/5 m. This is kind of where this kind of works for in our favor. Or the reason why we need to know how to do this is for this second example. And I'm going to go ahead and write it out just to show you guys why it's useful. So the top number is 10, but our bottom number is 5. So like in this case, this is going to reduce. So this is going to be 1/5 or m to the 1/5. And then now our new n exponent would be a 2. So this is kind of why this is useful and needed, is so we can reduce our exponents underneath our radicals here. Okay, and then same thing here with a fraction. Even if you have a square root here, so again, our index is going to be 3. All right, but now you're going to do every one of these numbers to a 3. Or to a 1/3 in a sense. So basically, again, the a doesn't have a number here. So this would be a to the 1/3. Okay, then this is going to make c 8/3. And then again, if you notice here, I'm not going to draw it, but if you notice here, it'd be b12 divided by 3, which is going to give us a b4. So again, that's the whole point of why we're wanting to do this. This will take away our radicals and our exponents and different things like that. Okay, so that's kind of a very important piece here. All right, so I'll go ahead and get to a couple of practice problems, and I'm going to go ahead and get you guys to see if you can do a couple of these practice problems on your own. It's an Edpuzzle video or something along those lines. Okay, so let's go down here, see what we can do. All right. Okay, so let's go ahead and look at one right here. All right, again, we'll just kind of play it right here. Okay, trying to find a good one we can go ahead and do. Okay, something easy. We'll just do this number 21 right here. All right, so again, kind of what you need to do, your process here needs to be what your index is. So we can go ahead and just write the index out. Penmanship, got to get better at it. But my index is going to be a 3. So basically my denominator here will be 3s. All right, so it'll be t to the 1/3 because again, it doesn't have an exponent. So we go ahead and make it a 1. Then it's going to be u4. Again, that's the whole point of why we're doing this. So this will cancel those out. And then we get a v to the 2 thirds. Okay. And then we're going to use this for the next lesson. And you guys will see that later on. But for right now, that's what we need to focus on, just basically learning how to simplify those exponents. All right, guys, I appreciate it. Y'all have a great rest of your day.